Okay, phonetics part 3. Here we go. Question number 7. Explain what is meant by allophonic duration. Okay, so you have to come up with a difference between allophonic duration and phonemic duration. With phonemic duration, you have two different vowels that differ in length. For example, I and E, bin and bean. Well, why do they differ in length? Because we're dealing with two different phonemes. Here, with allophonic duration, you deal with the same phoneme, but they differ in length because of the syllable ending. For example, niece and knees. Niece is very short because of the strong S ending. Remember, pre-fortis clipping. The final S causes the preceding sound to be cut short. And knees is quite long, ease, because of the soft Z ending. So allophonic duration is the same sound, different duration, and that's basically your answer. With allophonic duration, the same sound, different duration. Then you give an example, knees, yes. And phonemic duration, same two different phonemes, and they differ in length. I, E, bin, being. Okay. Question number 8. Explain the term pre-fortis clipping using examples. Well, that's the same sort of thing here going on. If you pick the same words, niece and knees. Niece ends in a strong fortis sound, a strong S sound. That's what you see in your transcription. And those strong fortis sounds, they cause the preceding voiced portion, in this case the vowel E, to be short. Niece, E. That's pre-fortis clipping. Cut short the preceding sound, voiced portion. And in knees, you have a soft ending, and then the preceding vowel is longer too. So pre-fortis clipping, niece, knees, niece, the first one, strong S causes the preceding sound to be short, to cut short. Okay. Now, the production of speech, well, that's an easy question, I think. Explain what happens in the larynx when you pronounce a fortis phoneme as S and sync. What happens is, you know the difference between a voiced sound and a voiceless sound. If you voice a sound, you have vibration going on. Those vocal cords, they move, the flaps, remember. But that's not happening with a voiceless sound, a fortis sound like S. Basically what happens is that the glottis is open, and the air can escape that way. So there's no obstruction there in the glottis. So the vocal cords are open. That's basically your answer. Okay, give the three-term label for these vowels here, starting with E. Well, E is a close, a front, and an unrounded vowel. U is a close, centralized back, rounded vowel. The schwa, the is a mid-open, mid-close. It's really there in the center. Mid-open, mid-close, central, unrounded vowel. And the R is open. You can see R. The difference between E, R. Open, centralized back, tongue back, centralized back. And an unrounded vowel. Okay, those are the three-term labels. You can find them, of course, on the website and then the book. Well, I'm not going to talk about question 11 here because you have to fill in this format here, and you can just copy it or check it by using the book or the extra information on the website. It's there, so I'm not going to cover that one right now.